So today we're going to take a look at practice problem number 3. In humans, the ability to taste PTC is dependent upon the dominant gene. A male is homozygous for tasting PTC and marries a woman who is homozygous for non-tasting. What will the genotypes and phenotypes be of their children? So we first have to identify the alleles. So you have PTC tasting. It's a chemical, and some people taste it, some don't. Okay, if you are able to taste it, we'll give the allele capital T. Okay, you can taste it. If you can't taste that chemical, okay, that's recessive, so that's why it's a lowercase t. Okay, well, the parent genotype, if we look at the problem again, it says it has a male who is homozygous for tasting the PTC. So if I say homozygous, that means the same. So parent 1, okay, can taste PTC and it's homozygous, so it has to be 2 capital T's. Okay, the woman is homozygous for not tasting. Okay, so it's homozygous means same, not tasting, 2 lowercase t's. So homozygous, and the person cannot taste it. Okay, well, I have to do a Punnett square on it. So remember, a Punnett square, we draw the box. One parent can go on the top, the other parent can go on the side. Okay, since parent 1 is homozygous dominant for it, the other is homozygous recessive. And remember, we just bring down the letters, or bring over the letters that are on the outside of that box. So we have a capital and a lowercase t. For this one, we have a capital T and a lowercase t. Okay. Here we have a capital T and lowercase again. And in the last box we have a capital and a lowercase t. So what would be the ratio for the genotypes? Well, there's only one type of genotype that I see that's possible within the offspring. Okay, so whether they have 1 child or they have 10 children or they have 2 children, no matter what, all of their children will have this ratio, this genotype. Okay, so in this genotype, it's seen 100% of the time, or 4 out of 4 in terms of the boxes. Well, phenotypic ratio, phenotypic means it's the physical trait. So what trait would the offspring have according to this genotype? Well, we already said that if it has a capital T, they can taste the PTC. So we will have PTC taster. Okay, how often will that occur within the children? 100% of the time. Okay, no matter what, no matter how many children they have, 100% of the time they are able to taste PTC.